Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that many users face when using Notepad++ for find-replace tasks. The issue here is that the current output generated does not match the desired output completely. The problem lies in not being able to capitalize the snake case strings between the parentheses as required. Now, diving into the solution provided, it involves making use of regular expressions in Notepad++. The solution consists of a find pattern that captures multiple lowercase words separated by underscores within single quotes. This find pattern allows for flexibility in the number of lowercase groups that can be captured. Moving on to the solution, we have a detailed replacement pattern that utilizes backreferences to the capture groups from the find pattern. The key part here is the \u modifier, which capitalizes the first letter of each captured group. Additionally, the replacement pattern includes underscores between the capitalized words where necessary to match the desired output format accurately. Continuing with the solution, the replacement operation in Notepad++ is done by using the find-replace feature with the specified find in replace patterns. By following these steps, users can achieve the desired output by capitalizing the snake case strings as needed. In summary, by correctly applying the provided find in replace patterns in Notepad++, users can efficiently transform the current output into the desired format. So, give it a try and see the magic happen. Remember, technology is all about finding those little tricks that make our lives easier. Stay curious and keep exploring. Like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite text editor joke. Take care.